Ni Ngavana wa Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago agiteterithia bata wa kaunti cia mwena kugacirithia uiguano gatagati gacio ari ikinya rimwe ria kuhotithia uthii wa nambere mwena ucio. Ni thutha wa muhuhu kwiyumiria ati kaunti ya Trans-Nzoia na Nandi ni irenda kuyamura kuuma uiguano uyu wa North Rift Economic Bloc. Mandago akiuria atongoria magacirithie urumwe hari kugacirithia uiguano uyu.
For me and those of us who founded NOREB, we still believe that NOREB is still the economic vehicle that can transform this region. When the aggregate economies of counties are added together, then it can make a critical mass.
Mandago ni augite unyitaniri uyu ungienyeka wahota kuhotomia uthii wa nambere mwena ucio. No na kuri uguo Mandago ni augite ndari aramukira marua ma county ici cieri kwiyeheria.
If our county moves out for one reason or another, at the question of counties, neighboring counties working together, I think that is not in doubt. We shall continue working together as the counties in the region.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.